Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Roblox games loading black screen. Chapter 1. How to fix error Roblox games loading black screen deleting files from the drive. To start, enter the command Klinger in the search box. Click on Disk Cleanup, select the C drive and wait for the analysis to be done. After that, activate the desired boxes and click OK. You will need to confirm this process by clicking on Delete Files to delete those elements. Chapter 2. How to fix error Roblox games loading black screen temporarily deleting. To start, in the search box enter %temp %, click on File folder. After this, select the Roblox folder. Click Delete to delete this folder. Chapter 3. How to fix error Roblox games loading black screen deleting Roblox permissions. To start, open the browser, click on the menu and click on Settings. Now you're going to go to Privacy and Security, then select Third-Party Cookies. In this section, click on See All Site Data and Permissions. After that, search for Roblox and when you see it, click on the trash icon to delete it. You must confirm this action. Chapter 4. How to fix error Roblox games loading black screen reinstalling Roblox. To get started, press Start and select Settings. You are going to go to the Apps section and there you will click on Installed Apps. After this, locate Roblox Player. Click on the three dots to choose Uninstall. Click Uninstall again. Wait for this process to come to an end. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now go to the link that we left you in the video description. Here, click on Download Windows app. When the file downloads, click on it and click Run. You can wait for Roblox to be installed on your PC. Chapter 5. How to fix error Roblox games loading black screen configuring Roblox settings. To start, right-click on the Roblox Player shortcut and select Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab and here check the boxes, disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.